Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a sales incentive program with Wells Fargo. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Building a sales incentive program with Wells Fargo can be a strategic move for your business. First, define the goals of your sales incentive program. Consider what behaviors you want to encourage, such as increasing sales, improving customer satisfaction, or boosting team collaboration. Next, evaluate your current sales metrics. Analyze data to understand where your team stands and what improvement areas exist. After that, determine your budget for the program. It's essential to have a clear understanding of what you can allocate for rewards, incentives, and administrative costs. Now, identify the types of incentives you'd like to offer. These can range from cash bonuses to trips, gift cards, or additional time off. Once you've established the rewards, outline the criteria for earning them. Make sure the rules are clear and attainable for all team members. Reach out to Wells Fargo for potential partnership opportunities. Wells Fargo often offers resources and insights that can enhance your program. Next, create a timeline for your incentive program. Set specific start and end dates, and identify key milestones. Now, communicate the program details to your team. Transparency is crucial, so ensure everyone understands how they can participate and what's at stake. As the program commences, monitor progress regularly. Keep track of the metrics that matter and make adjustments if needed. Finally, evaluate the program's effectiveness after its conclusion. Gather feedback from participants to understand what worked and what can be improved. Consider making your incentive program an ongoing initiative based on the results. Remember, the goal of your sales incentive program is to motivate and engage your team while driving business growth. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.